I'm Lane from Cocoon Apothecary, and on Formulator Friday, we're going to talk about glass bottles. Glass bottles are something that we use for all of our products. Whenever we possibly can, we're using glass. Glass is not only eco-friendly, but it's also better for preserving our products. One of the questions that we get asked an awful lot is about our caps and about our tubes going into our bottles. So today I thought I'd spend a little bit of time just explaining how it all works. So when we cap our bottles, we put a tube into the bottle, and the tube does not go straight down to the bottom of the bottle. It actually curves into the corner of the bottle, as in the diagram. All glass is imperfect. Plastic bottles, you get the same one every single time. Glass is always different, and the bottoms change drastically. They can change from just having a convex bottom to having a convex bottom that's higher at one side than the other. This is a problem for us. When we put our tubes into the bottle, they come down through the bottom and then curve over to the side of the convex. In this picture, you can see this is ideally how we'd like to have our tubes in the corner so that the product can get to them. But sometimes what happens is the tubes get jammed in the corner because the bottle's not perfect. This is very easily fixable by undoing the top of the bottle, taking the quill or the tube and cap out, putting it back in, and turning it back on. As we do that, what it does is it turns the quill or tube into a different portion of the side of the bottle. So instead of being stuck in here or jammed in the corner, it can move over to the other side that has room. This is a big thing for a lot of our customers. It happens with our 250 milliliter and with our 100 milliliter, as well as our 60 milliliter. Sometimes what happens is because glass is not flexible like plastic is, as you pump, you won't be able to get any product out, even though there's lots of product in the bottle. This is because of the suction that's created within the bottle. With plastic, the plastic flexes a little bit and gives you that so it can come out of the product. Sometimes that doesn't happen with glass. Easiest way to fix that: undo the top, release the pressure that's built up inside, put it back in. Problem solved most of the time. On the odd occasion, we do have failures within our pumps. Please do notify us so we can help you out with getting that solved. We go through tens of thousands of pumps, and we can imagine that there are a couple that aren't perfect. Our quills, all of our quills are tubes. At the bottom of it have a little dimple in it. This dimple is where the product travels through. So if it does get jammed, if it does get into the corner, it's very, very hard. It's almost like it closes right up. So hopefully those two tricks will help you understand a little bit more about our glass bottles and how you can solve some of the issues that you may have with glass bottles.